In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TicketTool on Discord. This is part one, where we add TicketTool to your server so you're ready to create support tickets for your community. TicketTool is a popular moderation and support bot that helps you organize conversations into private threads, making it easier to handle requests, questions, or reports without cluttering your channels. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into the correct Discord account in your web browser and that you have permission to add bots to the server, typically called Manage Server. If you don't have that permission, ask a server admin to grant it or to complete the install for you. With that set, let's walk through the process. Open your browser and go to tickettool.xyz. This is the official website for TicketTool, and it's where you'll start the installation. On the homepage, look for the Invite button. Clicking Invite will redirect you to Discord's authorization page, where Discord confirms which server you want to add the bot to and what permissions it needs. On the authorization page, use the server drop-down to select your Discord server. If you don't see the server in the list, it usually means your account doesn't have the manage server permission on that server. Choose the correct server and proceed. Next, you'll grant a few permissions that TicketTool needs to work properly: manage channels, manage roles, and manage messages. Manage channels allows the bot to create and organize ticket channels for each request. Manage roles lets it assign access so only the right people can see and respond to tickets. Manage messages enables it to keep ticket threads tidy by sending prompts, closing notices, and housekeeping messages. These permissions may look formal, but they're standard for ticket systems and are necessary for the bot to function smoothly. When you're comfortable with the permissions, click Authorize. You might see a quick verification check. Complete that if prompted. After authorizing, Discord will confirm that the bot has been added. Head back to your server and check the member list. You should see the TicketTool bot appear online, usually with a verified bot badge. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a moment, switch channels, or briefly reload Discord. Also, double check that you invited it to the correct server if you manage several communities. That's it for part one. TicketTool is now in your server and ready to be configured. In the next part, we'll set up ticket panels and customize how users can open and manage their tickets.